yeah, when you go onto my website, that's where I've listed everything about the meetup. This is going to be from 16th to 17th August, and I picked up these dates specifically because it is the weekend after 15th August. We have 15th की छुट्टी है, 15th को आप ट्रैवल करो, आप आ जाओ पुणे, get settled, get ready for 16 and 17. 16th is going to be Janmashtami. It's a wonderful auspicious time, so definitely perfect time to do the workshop as well. Now this I've channeled very deeply from my experience, as well as what God was showing me, that this meetup is going to be about finding freedom from within. We are always looking on the outside for freedom. We're always blaming the government. We're always blaming our parents. We're always blaming our teachers. We're blaming our twin flame. We are blaming ourselves outside for freedom. But truth is, the freedom also comes from within you. It does not come from outside. 15th August का time भी freedom का time है, and this is kind of a collective energy we will get, and also God will channel through the workshops, through the meetup, through our intention. हमारी intention रहेगी कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मेरी आत्मा में मुझे ये embed करना है. I desire this very much for a foundation, for a fearless foundation for my union. A lot of people who have come earlier, they have expressed so much. They have received through these meetups. They continue to receive. I continue to receive. हम लोग क्या है ना, जब मिलते हैं एक साथ, एक दूसरे को समझ पाते हैं इस जर्नी में, जो हमें कोई नहीं समझ पाता, जो हम भी नहीं कभी एक्सप्रेस कर पाते. हमें इतना मौका मिलता है, हमें इतनी फ्रीडम फील होती है, हमें इतनी सेफ्टी फील होती है कि हाँ, हमारे लिए हैं लोग एक दूसरे को समझने वाले.
सो मेरे लिए जो एक्सपीरियंस था ना, इट वाज लाइक मुझे सांस आ रहा है यहाँ पर.
हाँ,
बिकॉज इट वाज लाइक आई वाज अंदर से मैं इतनी खुश थी कि आई कैन बी माई सेल्फ हियर नाउ, लाइक विदाउट एनी फिल्टर. मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं थी मैं क्या कुछ भी बोलो, कोई फर्क नहीं है किसी को भी. एंड आप कुछ भी बोलोगे, कैसे भी आप एक्ट कर रहे हो, बिहेव कर रहे हो, एवरीबॉडी इज गोना लव यू.
And this is going to be in Hilton, so we can have a quick look at the video. You will carry with you not just the healing, but also a lot of spiritual gifts that are unseen, even through the journey of coming together. कि आप आ रहे हो एक साथ ये चॉइस लेके, आप जब जाओगे उसके बाद भी आपके सोल आपको इतना थैंक यू बोलने वाली है ना, सच में. And Pune is my favorite city, so I'm going to feel really amazing as well. So it'll be nice to meet everyone there. We all have a story connected to Pune. So yeah, it's going to be really beautiful of us all coming together. So